Our friends at ThermoMate have very kindly sent us this ThermoMate electric storage water heater. This model is the ES10DE and it's an under-counter water storage heater. Electric, obviously, 230, 240 volt, so it just runs off mains. It's 10 litre capacity. It comes with a fitting kit for under counter if you want it on a wall mounted. Everything's in here, and it has a very comprehensive manual, not only showing you the fitting, the operation, the spec of it, and comes with 2-year warranty, which is great. I'll get it out and show you what it looks like. So this is it. It's really quite sturdy. So it has a cold water inlet and a hot water outlet, which obviously goes to your tap. Yeah, it's really quite a nice thing, and it's so welcome for us. This house has probably never had running hot water. It's always had to be boiled over the fire, or like we do, we have to boil a kettle to get some hot water. It's a game changer. No more freezing cold hands when you're doing the washing up. This is the ThermoMate plumbed in. We have the hot water outlet up to the tap, and we have the cold water inlet with the safety valve on it. We're all plumbed in, as you've seen. The light's on, which shows it's working, and we've turned the heating element up. So it's been sat there for 5 minutes just warming through. Moment of truth. You see the steam? Wow, ow, it's really quite hot.
Yay!
We have hot water. Thank you very much, ThermoMate. We now have hot running water, which makes such a difference to us. It's absolutely brilliant. I know everybody is used to having hot water, it's just there on tap, but we haven't had that for 2 years. So, if you would like to get your hands on one of these ThermoMate water storage heaters, we'll put the link in the description below.